In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove suspicious and extremely dangerous pop-ups that are coming from this site Reserve-availability.cfd. Reserve-availability.cfd is a deceptive website that may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website tries to trick people into thinking that their computer is infected. It may display some misleading messages that tell that your system is horribly damaged and that you need to immediately fix it, but in reality it's a mistake to interact with these pop-ups because they actually try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. At first glance, it looks as if these pop-ups are related to some decent and well-known security program, but in reality there is no connection. There is no any connection between these decent security programs and these pop-ups. So you shouldn't interact with them, and you shouldn't download or install anything that they actually suggest. First thing I recommend you to do is checking the control panel. And if you find any suspicious items here, get rid of them. Right-click on them and uninstall them. I also recommend that you additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.